Here's a Rheem condenser at Amelia Park in Miami Lakes. It's actually pretty much running. This is really quiet. It's a Rheem. Hop up here, take a look. This is a 14 seer unit. It's got a scroll compressor and model number RAPA-048JAZ. It's from 1998. It's a 4-ton. It's got R22. Never seen a 14 seer unit that old, actually. I'm very surprised to see this unit. It's actually a pretty rare looking one. I don't even know how they even got this installed in the middle of the bushes right here. It must be a hard job to install this unit. You know what? Let's help the old unit out. Take the sticks out of here. There's a lot of stuff on top of the unit. Yeah, this one has a fan motor replacement. Oof, that's hot. It must be running a really healthy condition. Which is that they don't ever even clean this one. There's a lot of stuff in here that's stuck in the top of the unit. I think the capacitor says Alliance. I've never seen anything like that. So, yeah, this is a 1998 4-ton Rheem condenser at Amelia Park. Over and out.